All right, this is what the lock looks like, and bonnet latch, bonnet lock. This is with the lower receiver in it. So to open it up, simply go like that. When the bonnet comes down, it goes like that, and you can lock it. Now you can't open it. Unlock it, and now you can open it. It's spring loaded. This is what this mechanism looks like. This also has a nice just like the factory, you're gonna want to set your bonnet down and lock it. And that's it. And notice that right there. If you have any questions, that's it.